So we just connected for first time this Chinese EV charger for $150 to our old style European connector, which is this one. It's common for the East Europe communist countries. And this is a conversion between this plug and the standard red 3-phase plug, and the station is currently working. This station costs around $150, and this connector, which I bought separately, it cost $3. So this should be the cheapest 11 kilowatt solution for charging vehicles. And now let's try to connect it. Okay, so let's do first connection attempt. So standard type 2 connector, waiting and charging. See the car's charging. So let's try to check the current. We can see 6 amps here. So the only option to configure the station is using the station buttons. Once the station is connected and not connected to the vehicle, this is something that I just learned. When it's connected to the vehicle, you cannot make any changes to the power output. So we can switch with this button between 6 and 60 amps. 16 amps is the maximum, which I recommend only if you have the needed grid, because the most common 3-phase grid should be only up to 10 or 13 amps per phase. And we have like a timer when to start charging. Up to 15 hours with delay. And we can reset this timer by resetting the station itself. So let's start charging. So it seems that the variant of the station that I have is the more stupid one and not the high-end one, and does not have an application connection, which I don't need because I use the Tesla application. But nevertheless, the station is working very good. 10 amps at 3-phase, so we're charging with a lot of power.